Welcome back, guys. Today's video I'll be showing you how to make money from TikTok videos. If you already know about this, just take your time and watch this video to the end. If you are new to this, just watch this video to the end so that you can gain some things. Okay? Yes, you are new to this channel, you can subscribe to this channel, like this video and comment below what you say about this video. Yes, do you know you can make money from TikTok creating videos? Okay, I'm gonna show you today. Yes, let's say can be making money. Let's say you have 10K viewers on your TikTok, you'll be making $35. Wow, people are making money. Yes, it depends on the country you see that you can be making money from. Yes, let's say you choose like people from United States view your videos, be getting paid $35.5. Wow. Yes. Okay, let's say people from Togo. Okay, same thing. Okay, the same thing, sure. Okay, let's get started. You'll be getting paid to your PayPal account, your dollar PayPal account. Okay, just create account as a creator. Let me change my logo to Nigeria. Okay, just sign up as a creator. You can log into any of your accounts. Maybe you want to use you log into your TikTok account using any simplest form you can use to log in. But if you're not open a TikTok account, make sure you open a TikTok account. Just sign up. Just click on this sign up to create a new account for yourself on TikTok. Okay, and let me log into my own account on TikTok. Then use my phone number. You can use Gmail, any one you use to register. Okay, using this 08170. Yes, login. You're gonna send us code from TikTok now. I have to complete this cash chat. Wow, you have to look for the two of you that are the same. Yeah, this is W. Okay, click on confirm. Verification complete. Let's wait for the code. Okay, 91919573 oh sorry 919573. okay, the code is to be confirmed now. Log into our account. Yes, login successfully. Yes, you have to authorize TikTok to authorize your account there. I have to authorize it. This is my TikTok account. You have to let your sound.me to access your account. Okay, I don't tell you guys you are using sound.me. You can search the sound.me on your any of the device. Alright, I'm going to drop the link in the description below so that you can get access to it very easy. Authorize it. Make sure you authorize your TikTok account to authorize your sound.me account so that you can make money for yourself. Okay, this is a new account. I'm creating this new account just for this. Okay, great. You can start earning. Step one, this is how to earn from this. Step one, you go to the campaign sponsorship campaign. You record your video with the sound given to you by sound.me. You start your video. That's it. Very easy. It's very easy. But before you get started, you come to this here. You have to go to settings. Okay, let me explain again. You come to where you see here. Okay, you come here. Okay, you come here. So come here, go to settings. Make sure you fill your details there. Your first name, let's say I'm using Global Gift TV there. Global Gifts. Okay, your date of birth, you can leave it, you can still come back there again. Your country, change it to Nigeria. Change it to your country. Is your email. Okay, your interest, maybe it's comedy, dance, art. Okay, let me choose traveling, dance, fashion. And choose everything. You can also put your PayPal email account, but you don't have that, you can leave that for now. Okay, you can also put your phone number for any sponsorship. Verified number. Okay, invalid number. Okay, you have to change your country. Okay, verified number, and send us code now. Okay, this is additional information. You can leave this one. You can also put your YouTube link, your Instagram link, and every of these details. You can put it there. Okay, see your Instagram link. Let's put this. You can put your Facebook link there too. You can also put your Instagram link. That you click on save changes. Okay, the name has been rounding off. Okay, you have to put. Okay, yes, you are good to go. You have to save change. Okay, these are the sound yet. Sometimes here you can see $1, but now we are seeing $0.36. But sometimes you can also see $1 just for you to play the music on your video. If you want to accept it, you come to this sound here. Okay, you come here. You are going to accept the song. After accepting it, you are going to accept the song here. After accepting it, you will go to your TikTok account to go and do the video. Okay, let's wait. Okay, you have to post your TikTok account, your TikTok videos you use this song for. I'm going to put it here so that you can be making money for yourself. But you have to follow the instruction given to you. It must be in the video. Are you seeing? It must be in the video. Okay, exist that place. But to go to your TikTok account so that the song is be in your TikTok account, you go to your TikTok account here. Just go through this. Here you see TikTok. Just click on that to take you to your TikTok account directly. See me now? It's there directly now. Okay, it's going to be the song at the top of the head. I used to use this song. Okay, it's going to be in the song for us. Okay, many people have even used the song and be making money for themselves. I'm going to use the song now. Okay. You use the song and you upload any video. Make sure you use the song. You can also reduce the song so that it don't affect your videos. Okay, you upload any video you want to upload. Make sure the video is very short. Upload any video you want. Okay, let's say you are using this now. You can put any text you want to put, but the necessary thing is that make sure you are using the sound. Just click on next. You can put any caption you want to put on the photos there, but that one does not concern us, but just to use the sound only, just to make money for yourself. You can put in description. Let's use the description like. Okay. You just post the video and you leave the TikTok. I'm going to leave the TikTok now. So okay, yes. And make sure you promote your. Oh, sorry. I'm going to go back to your TikTok now. I'm going to go back to our TikTok to go and copy the link from TikTok. I'm going to copy the link from TikTok. Okay, you go back to TikTok to go and copy the link so that we can use it to make money. You paste your TikTok video here. Let's go back to our TikTok to go and copy the link. Okay, you just come here like this. Okay, refresh your page. This video you just now you copy the link and you go back to your sound.me. Okay, yes, you come out to your sound.me and you are going to paste the link in the description that said. Okay, you paste the link here, paste the link there, you submit it, and anytime you come here, you've seen any new song you can use, you will see it there. You can also promote your videos. You can also promote your TikTok videos so that people can view it and be making. Promote your videos so that people can view it and be making money for yourself. And you can only withdraw through PayPal. Okay, to PayPal. To show on your dashboard there, if you are making money from TikTok, it's going to show here. Create video. Have you see? There's only one there. It's going to show our. Assuming you have put your YouTube and your Instagram account, it's going to show everything on the down part here. This is a very tutorial. This is the tutorial video I'm showing you guys on how to make money from TikTok. If you like this video, can subscribe to the channel and comment what you say about this video. Already making money from this, just drop a nice comment and drop a thumb up. Okay, see you next video.